Hi, here is the Canon Powershot SX210is overall conditions. Okay, here is the on-off button, and when we on it, you don't put the hand at here, as here is a flash, so it will pop up like that. Okay, so inside will be like this. It's slightly edges on the top here lah, but the bottom here actually is okay. So you can see like if two different kind of color tone. Here will be slightly like yellow a bit, while here is okay, normal. Then next thing, about this camera, you can select on different mode. This one is like fully auto. So when during auto, you only can choose like the graphic lah. This one is the quality of the pics. Yeah, it will show you how many pics you can shoot for remaining. Okay, then this one is the quality also. Then this one is the compression set. Okay, then normally I would recommend you put it at P, program mode. So about the program mode, we can adjust the ISO by ourselves, but I would recommend you put it at auto. Then the next, usually I will ask you to play about the white balancer. This one is auto, but you can set by yourself. This one is warm, daylight, cloudy, also will be warm. This one is tungsten, it tend to be like blue. Then this one is frozen light. Yeah, different kind of feel lah, I would say. So you can play about the color tone. Yeah. Then here also you can play with it. This one is the compensation. If you want like flash will be brighter, then you can adjust lah. If normal one, it will be like this. Okay. Then this is color, vivid blue. Wow, you can adjust by yourself, like darker skin, this skin tone, or neutral, black and white, sepia, neutral, vivid. But vivid, I recommend you shoot it at like maybe like view landscape like this lah. If normally you can off it also. Neutral, if you shoot like, it will decrease the contrast and the saturation will be more desaturate. If you shoot like maybe portrait or something, it might have that kind of nostalgic feel lah. Yeah. Then maybe choose this. Okay. Then when we want to shoot, here is the zoom. Swipe here to zoom in. Half press, let it focus. But yeah, because it's very near lah. Okay. Then aim for a bit. Okay. Usually, if it's like this, means that it's okay. Then we just click it. Okay, it had focus, but it doesn't bright enough. It's because the front here got another object at here, so the flash will bounce back at here. Okay, then we zoom out a bit. Okay, and shoot. Half press and shoot. Yeah, that one is bright enough. Okay, then now it's force flash lah, but we can adjust it to auto, or you want off also can. Then bottom here is the timer function. The left side is like you can adjust manual focus, normal focus, or macro. Yeah. And the top is the compensation. Shit. Sorry. You can adjust it like you want brighter or darker also can. Yeah. Like this is normal lah. Okay. Then the display also can adjust by yourself. Like display now is like this lah, but if you want cleaner, I tried. Okay, like clean a bit will be like this, but I recommend you use like this lah, because you can know like the details. You can shoot how many pics, the quality, the flash mode, the ISO, and the color tone, all these things. Yeah. Then if you want like go to record the movie, then you can shoot here lah. This is like different kind of scene lah, but honestly to say, I think you set it that program and you play about the white balance will be better. Okay, here is the movie. Yeah. You can also use it. Okay, then click here to record it, and next we click here to preview. This now, just now our pics. Yeah, and this one is some pop-out pics. Okay, then click again, then we switch to the shooting mode, but I move back to maybe program. Okay, we click the menu, inside will be like this. The AF frame, you can be like center or face detect, like that. You can adjust by yourself lah. Yeah, normal or small. The point lah, AF point, all this thing. Then move out a bit. This one is about the focus, and this one is the volume, all these things, LCD brightness, and also you can click to format lah, because you have bought it, so I will format the pics for you. Okay, yes. Okay, then this one is file numbering, lens retract. If you didn't use it for 1 minute, it will retract inside. Yeah. File saving, then the date and time you can adjust by yourself lah. This one you need all these things. Yeah, you can adjust by yourself. Then click again. Yeah, it will back to the shooting mode. And if you didn't use it, then just click it like that. Ah yes, sorry. Okay, next thing is to show you how to like read the camera, the SD card, because we have provided the card reader for you. So now I off it first. Okay, by pushing it here to open it. Here's the SD card. Take it out. It's 2 GB, and we will free you a card reader. Let me just put it inside like this. Then we use our phone. Insert it. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, yeah, come out. Click here. Okay, yeah. So here is the pics just now we took. It doesn't like that yellowish lah. And it's quite desaturated. And if you want to save it, you just click here and save image will be do. Okay, yeah. Then if you didn't use it, plug it out, because a lot of people they keep it plug in and it doesn't use anything, and time to time the SD card will be damaged. Yeah. Okay, then we just put it inside. Okay, about how to put it inside, here have a symbol or an animation. You just according to the site, then you just put it in. Next is about the battery. By pulling this button, it will pop up. Okay, so we need to charge it by using the universal charger, when I'm showing you. Oh, okay, that's here, which also will include. Then about this, we need to match the positive and the negative by the two sides. After we attach it properly, yeah, here will light up. Then we need to take to charge. When it charge, here will blink lah. And normally we will charge like around 30 to 40 minutes will be okay already. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and when you want to put it inside bag, then yeah, mesh it properly. It's like here. Then here, because I have the pin, we cannot push that directly lah. So we just push a bit the button, then only we put it in, and it will lock. And we just lock it like that. Yeah. And inside the box, we also have the manual, the CD, and the cable. We got 2 types of cable lah. This one I assume is like maybe you need to like take out the pics, then you use this cable. Then this one is for the television use. Yeah. I think it's at here. Just open it. Yeah, inside like this. You just insert at here. Okay, so overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.